your solidarity here in Zamboanga. We are bringing the spirit of this community, the spirit of togetherness and the passion for peace in Mindanao. I'm sorry. I came from Basilan. I came from there as the advance party of this mission. So I had to connect with the local government, our partners. And yesterday we had a meeting. There are more and more evacuees coming in, especially now that 6th Battalion. Sorry. We had a meeting with the group of civil society. They were talking about how to address the needs of the IDPs, the internally displaced persons. Originally, there have been hundreds and thousands being reported already. And then in the meeting yesterday that I attended with the civil society groups, there were very obviously, there are some families who have not yet received even help right now. And there's so much fear about Basilan being another war zone. It has been like that in the 80s, in the 90s. So it's like, it is very important. In fact, we have a very good reception, having the civil society movement in Basilan now being aware of the coming of our team. And they look forward to this because for so long a time, Basilan was quiet for 5 years after having gone through the wars. For 5 years, it's so peaceful, it was quiet. And suddenly this incident that broke out, a lot of battalions have been already deployed.
Maayong good morning to everyone. I have a mixed feeling discussing the report here with our media, with us. I have nothing against the media. I know that they're here because they're also stakeholders of peace, but I think we are also aware that the media, as an institution, and maybe those who are in Manila, siguro no, mas yung mga taga Manila, are really drunk during the war. Kaya I don't want this to be parang